don't like this food. Why are you not eating me? What? Haha! I caught it! I'm the winner! No! Give me the ball! It is my turn now! First tell me, what will I get if I give it to you? I will not play with you again. Okay, take it. Don't get angry. Lina, Leo, lunch is ready. Come inside. Lunch? I am so hungry. Let's go fast. I don't feel very hungry. I hope there is something tasty today. I don't care. Food is food. I will eat everything.
Come, sit down. I made fresh lunch for you both.
Wow, I am so hungry. This looks great. Mom, where is the cheese?
Today I made healthy food. Eat this. It is good for you.
I don't like this. I don't like vegetables. This is tasty. I like it. I don't want this food. It looks boring.
Lina, at least try a little.
No, Mom. I don't want to eat this. I will eat yours also if you don't want. I am full. That was so good. Are you really not eating this? No, I don't want it. Okay then. More food for me next time. I am going outside to play. Be careful, Leo. I really don't like this food. I don't feel like playing. I feel very hungry now. I didn't eat anything. Sigh. But I don't like this food.
Hello?
Huh? Who said that? Is anyone here? Down here. Hello, Lina. Why are you not eating me? A talking carrot?
Yes, we are talking, and we are very healthy.
We are here to help you grow strong and happy. Am I dreaming or is this real?
This is real, and I am very tasty too.
You don't look tasty.
Oh no, that hurts my feelings. I make your body strong like a superhero.
And I keep you fresh and healthy. Really? Yes. And your mom made us with love. Mom. Mom made this for me.
She worked hard just for you. We are not just food. We are care and love.
I didn't even try. It is actually good. This is actually tasty. I was wrong.
Lina, you are eating?
Yes, Mom, I am sorry. I didn't understand before.
It's okay, dear. I am happy you are eating now.
Lina, come fast. Let's play again. Wait, you ate everything? Yes, now I feel strong.
I have candy. Do you want?
Only a little. After food.
Only sometimes, okay?
This drawing is looking very nice. Here is my dad and here is me. Daddy will be very happy when he sees this. I drew our family picture today. Dad, Mom, and me, all together. My dad always says I am his little princess. I worked very hard on this. I can't wait to show it to Dad. Yes, I will show it to Dad right now.
Oh no, so much work today. I have to finish this report tonight. Emails, calls, and this project, how will I manage?
Daddy, look what I drew!
Lina, I see you. Can you wait for a moment? I'm working.
But Daddy, I drew something very special today.
I know, Lina, I know. Just 1 minute.
Only 1 minute, Daddy. Please?
Okay, let me finish this sentence first.
Look, Daddy, this is you, this is Mom, and this is me.
That's very nice, Lina. Really.
Can you see the colors? I used all my favorite colors.
Wow, good job, Lina, but I really need to finish this email.
Maybe Daddy will like it. I hope he smiles.
So much work. Why today is so busy?
Daddy, can I sit next to you?
All right, but quietly, okay? I really need to finish this.
Thank you, Daddy. I just wanted to show you.
Good girl. Just wait a few minutes.
Daddy, are you free now? Can you see my drawing?
Lina, I said I'm very busy. Please wait.
But Daddy, it is only 1 minute.
I don't have 1 minute. I have too much work.
I just want to show you I worked so hard on it.
Lina, stop disturbing me. I really need quiet.
I only wanted you to see.
Can you please go to your room? I can't focus with you here.
Okay, I will go. Why did Daddy shout at me? I only wanted to show him my drawing. Maybe he doesn't love me anymore. I worked so hard. I wanted to make him happy. Maybe Daddy is angry with me. I should have stayed in my room. Leo would understand me. He always listens. Maybe I should tell him. I just want Daddy to love me. Why is he so busy all the time? Maybe I will never make him happy.
Lina, why are you so quiet today? You look upset.
Hi, Alex. I don't know. Daddy shouted at me yesterday.
Oh no! What happened?
I only wanted to show him my drawing, but he said, "Don't disturb me."
Maybe your drawing was too good? He got jealous.
Not funny. I feel sad. Maybe Daddy doesn't love me anymore.
Lina, no! I know your dad. He loves you very much. He was just busy with work.
But he looked so angry, and I felt hurt.
That's why I always say adults sometimes forget how to show love when they are busy.
Really, you think he still loves me?
Of course! He treats you like a little princess. Remember how he plays with you on weekends?
Yes, but yesterday, it felt different.
Don't worry, Lina. Tomorrow, when he is free, he will hug you and say he loves you.
Okay, I will try to wait.
And hey, if he shouts again, just give him your best puppy eyes. That works every time.
I feel hopeful. I'll talk to Mom later. Mom, can I ask you something?
Of course, my dear. What's wrong?
Yesterday, Daddy shouted at me. He said, "Don't disturb me." I think he doesn't love me anymore.
Oh, Lina, that is not true at all. Do you know what happened when you were born?
No, What happened, Mom?
Your daddy was the happiest man in the world. He couldn't stop smiling. He told everyone in the hospital, "My little princess is here."
Really?
Yes, he held you so carefully and promised, "I will always protect my daughter." From that day, he has treated you like a princess, Lina.
He really loves me?
Yes, my dear, he loves you more than anything. Sometimes adults get very busy, but that doesn't mean they stop loving you.
Maybe Daddy was just stressed yesterday.
Exactly. He loves you very much, Lina. Always remember that.
Lina, I finished my work. Where are you? Hey, Lina, what are you doing?
Homework.
Oh, that's good. Which subject?
Math.
Do you need any help?
No.
Lina, why are you so quiet today?
I am busy.
Busy? Okay, but we can talk for a minute.
I said I am busy, Dad. I have homework. I will finish it in my room.
What happened? Why are you standing here?
I don't understand Lina today. She is not talking to me.
Really? What happened?
I tried to talk to her, but she ignored me. She said she was busy with homework and went to her room. Did something happen at school?
No, nothing happened at school.
Then why is she so upset?
Do you remember yesterday evening?
Yesterday, I was busy with office work.
Yes, and Lina came to show you her drawing.
Oh, yes. I told her not to disturb me.
You didn't just say that. You shouted at her.
I shouted?
Yes, she was very hurt. She even asked me if you still love her.
Oh no, I didn't realize that. I was just stressed because of work.
Yes, she needs to hear that from you.
I need to talk to her and say sorry. Lina, can we talk for a minute?
Okay.
Mom told me everything. I didn't realize I hurt your feelings yesterday. I was stressed with work, but that is no excuse to hurt my little princess. I am really sorry, Lina. I didn't mean to make you sad.
I thought maybe you didn't love me anymore.
Oh, Lina, that's never true. I love you very much, more than anything in the world. You are my little princess, and I am so proud of you.
Really, Daddy?
Really. And I promise I will always be there for you.
I love you too, Daddy.
I know, my little princess.
Look, Daddy, I drew our family together.
Wow, this is amazing. I love it so much.
This is the best drawing ever, Daddy.
It's beautiful, sweetie, just like you.